Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein, nutrient dense weight loss breakfast smoothie recipe. This protein rich smoothie is a meal in itself, and the high fiber will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. To make high protein breakfast, I'm using organic ragi flakes. For those who are new to ragi flakes, this is how it looks. Ragi flakes are also known as ragi poha or ragi aval. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a highly nutritious millet. It's completely gluten-free. It's a good source of protein, fiber, calcium, amino acids. It has a low glycemic index. It is rich in iron, hence ideal for those with iron deficiency anemia. Another important thing about ragi is that it is also one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D is always an issue with those with health issues like thyroid and PCOS. So always try to include seasonal whole grains like millets in your diet for your better health. For this recipe, I am using 1/4 cup of ragi flakes or ragi poha. First, we need to roast the ragi flakes, and for that I am heating my cast iron pan and I am adding in 1/4 cup of ragi flakes. And on low flame, I am lightly roasting the ragi flakes. Roasting the ragi flakes will help to make it more crispy. Make sure that you're roasting it on low flame. We don't want them to get burned. Remember that cast iron is heavy bottomed, hence heat retention is more. One of the best thing about ragi is that it is a natural source of vitamin D. So when you're using ragi, you need to include a good source of healthy fat. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, and a good source of healthy fat is a must for better assimilation of fat soluble vitamin like vitamin D. So do not skip using a good source of healthy fat when you're using ragi. And once you start to see steam coming out like this, turn off the flame and then transfer to another plate. Allow the ragi flakes to cool down completely. While the ragi flakes are cooling down, let's get the other ingredients ready for the smoothie. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of water. I'm using 1 medium-sized ripe banana. Now when you're choosing bananas, make sure that you choose the bananas which has some black spots like this. The more the black spots, the more sweeter the banana will be. I'm slicing the banana into the blender jar. Instead of banana, you can use mango or any seasonal fruit of your choice. For sweetness, I'm adding in 2 soft medjool dates. If your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak them before adding it into the blender jar. You can increase or decrease dates as per your sweetness. For an added flavor, I am adding in 1/2 teaspoon organic cinnamon powder. Cinnamon not only gives an amazing flavor but also helps to boost your metabolism. Instead of cinnamon powder, you can use cardamom powder or vanilla extract. Any flavorings of your choice can be used instead of cinnamon. I have some roasted peanuts at hand, and I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts. Instead of roasted peanuts, you can use cashew nuts, soaked almonds or walnuts. Any nut of your choice can be used in this recipe. Now the reason why you need nuts in this smoothie is for some healthy fats along with protein and fiber. Now if you don't have any nuts at hand, you can use any nut butter of your choice like maybe cashew butter, almond butter or even peanut butter. 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that extra protein, fiber and omega 3s. And I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Now for those who are unsure whether the flax seeds will get blended or whether you need to grind them separately and add it into the blender, no worries, the flax seed will get blended along with the rest of the ingredients. So you don't need to grind them separately and add it in. Okay, now the ragi flakes has cooled down, and as you can see, it is super crunchy and crispy now. To assemble the smoothie into a serving glass, I am adding in 3 tablespoons of the roasted ragi flakes. Pour in the blended smoothie. Top it with a tablespoon of roasted peanuts. This will give an amazing crunch to the smoothie and also will give the much needed healthy fats. And lastly, I am sprinkling in 1 tablespoon of the roasted ragi flakes on top. And my super healthy, high protein ragi smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy ragi smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.